Now we listen to Men of the World Philippines.
As a boy who used to grow up in a public market, and as a boy who used to grow up in an unprivileged family, I think that destiny has brought me here tonight because destiny wants me to show, inspire, and give hope to children like me that we can also shine in this world if we only believe in God, believe in ourselves, believe and trust in the power of sports education, and follow our heart's desire. And tonight, as I stand here, I want this to be a testimony that anything impossible can be possible. Mabuhay ka, Pilipinas!